Camcorder tripod. We have a new tripod model F-360T. Release plate. Load can handle 3 kilograms. Closing height, working maximum height. And then for smartphone, camera, iPad, GoPro. Let us see the inside. Where is the camera? Where is the tripod? Okay. This is the manual. Chinese manual, no English, just Chinese. There's no English manual. Then included in the package is this smartphone holder. Okay, you can adjustment for the smartphone holder. And then we have a pre-bag. Let us what's this? Chinese. The inside is a tripod. We're going to replace our old tripod because it's already old, worn out. And into the tripod, we have this Bluetooth control. Bluetooth module. Cloth card. Camera i360 iOS. This is a Bluetooth control with battery, cell battery, coin cell battery, 2032 CR lithium battery. And the tripod is, how can we, let us make the tripod to stand. This is now our tripod for the Bluetooth. Okay. We have 2 adjustment. Why it has only 2 adjustment? Oh. Another one. Two adjustment. There is a hook for carrying any weight or any items. Also, we have the for the vertical. This one is for the vertical adjustment. Vertical height. For the height, tilt. Or there is a rubber cover. For the camera, hey, hey. Okay. For the adjustment of the camera holder, this is for DSLR. Also can be used for cell phone cover holder. For tilting this adjustment. Why is it? Or we can mount the cell phone in the vertical mounting, just like this one. Well, it's okay. This tripod is okay. For the height, for the tilting, Push 360 degrees rotation for this adjustment. Tilt. Vertical. Okay. We now have our new tripod. Level meter. It's okay. And it is lightweight. There is a handle for carrying the tripod. Handlebar. You can adjust the height. So this is for the height telescopic adjustment. Up to, I think, 2 meters. 2 me 2 meters only. 2 meters height adjustment. We have a new tripod, and it is nice. We have a nice tripod. We can now see here how tall the tripod is, and there is a rubber pad for a nice grip. We can use this as a lock for the tripod.